Welcome to the grill, and tonight it's kebab night.
Come on in, grab a plate and hold on to your appetite. It's time for Floyd at the Grill.
All right, we're ready to assemble our kebabs. We have some Polish Kielbasa, sliced up Vidalia onion, red and yellow bell peppers, and some jumbo great tomatoes. And we just take a bamboo skewer, and we just start skewering whatever we want to put on here. We start with a tomato, take that on there, and then I'll take an onion. Put the onion a little bit for flavor. I like Vidalia onions. I'm not a big onion fan. And then a yellow bell pepper, and I forgot a red bell pepper. So we'll mix up the two, put the two bell peppers together, red and yellow for this one. And then back to a mater, grape tomato, and then I'll do a yellow bell pepper again. And then the onion. When you mix it up, do whatever you want to on this combo. It doesn't really matter on how it goes together, that these flavors will kind of mix together when it's on the grill. We'll be doing direct heat with this and going all the way through. And then take that and continue all the way to the end if you'd like. I mean, you can make these skewers just as long or as short as you would want to with these kebabs. You might want to give yourself a little extra space on here, so when you're on the grill and handling them, you have a little space. And a lot of times these bamboo skewers will burn, so you may use tongs to carry on the meat. So just a couple other ideas. So just keep going with that and then move on to the next one until we've got all our kebabs made. All right, now it's time to put these kebabs on the grill. And coals are ready to go, so we'll go ahead and throw them on there. This is going to be direct heat. And you want to lay the sticks parallel to the grills. That puts the contents perpendicular so they won't fall through the grills. Getting a little sizzle there going on. Ooh. All right. Now, since this is all direct heat, this is going to only take about 10-15 minutes for them to cook mostly. I mean, the sausage is already smoked, so everything is all cooked, and we're just getting a little heat and let the flavors infuse there, and then they'll be ready to come on. All right, it's been a few minutes under 400 degrees, so we're gonna go ahead and flip them. And I already flipped this one here, so you'll see a little bit of char getting over onto the sausage. And I also find out, yeah, sticks are very hot, so you'll definitely wanna use tongs. As you can probably imagine, this may be my first time, or may not be my first time, doing kebabs. And I confess, it is my first time. All right, center has got really charged, so we're gonna go ahead and move those over off to the side. So we'll get those taken care of and let the other halves cook, and then it'll be time to take them off. All right, it's time to take them off. So I'm taking a look here, and yeah, when you see this tomatoes split like that, that is definitely time to take them off. They are done. So we'll pull these off here. Yeah, they're looking really good. Skewer's got a little bit charred, but not bad, not a problem. And we'll basically take these off the kebabs when we eat them. Just do a little mixture of both on a plate. Or you can eat them on the kebab, but whatever suits your fancy. In a minute, it'll be time to taste them. All right, sampling our kebabs. I'm gonna try it on the stick. Stick's cooled down, but it looks really good and tasty. So let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. The tomato is very juicy. Kielbasa has got a bit of that char flavor from the smoke. Not too much though, because it was a little quick to eat. So you can put a little bit more smoke on there. I thought about using some of my hickory wood. That might have helped it a little bit more too. So, you know, but either way, came out as a really good cook. Goddamn onion is always sweet. It's a great onion to use. Not too tart. Bell pepper has a good flavor coming in as well. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget your favorite beverage. For me, it's water this time. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks again for watching. Tune in next time, and I hope you enjoy.
Floyd at the Grill, a Hilltop Media production.